All right, tonight I've got fresh skipjack, I've got a big magnet, and I'm here with Hack to Fish, a smaller YouTube channel. Check out his channel in the iCard above. He does a lot of gear videos where he hacks stuff together for cheap. Does that sound right?
Sounds right to me.
Okay. And we're here fishing on a pier to see if we can catch something, and I'm going to do some magnet fishing to see if I can pull up anything off the bottom of the lake. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rods or more.
We got it covered.
Yeah, we got it covered. Hopefully we'll be able to get a fish tonight. In fact, I've actually got a bobber with me, and he brought some live bluegill. So I'm going to throw out a live bluegill on the bobber in the cove where the wind is blowing. Usually if the wind is blowing in the cove, that's a good place to fish.
I caught a 10-pound flathead out here one night on a white bass that was
Oh, wow.
His tail was down his throat, so I know he hit it. I thought it was just crazy.
You can use some of mine. Little bluegill. I'm feeling lucky. I'm going to put a whole small skipjack out. Okay, I cut a bunch of holes in them, and I'm hooking them upside down through the stomach. I've seen people do that when they hook whole skipjacks. Time for the fun part, rigging up the magnet. This is a 250-pound magnet. It picks up 250 pounds. All right, this is a great opportunity to show you guys a polymer knot. Put the line through, turn around, go back through it. This would be the eye of the hook. Of course, this is the magnet in this case. Make a knot, overhand knot. You got this loop. You put everything back through the loop, and then you wet everything, which I'm not going to do here, and pull it together. It's probably be a little bit difficult with this thing. Ugh. Yep, with the rope it's a little bit difficult. I ended up with an extra loop. That should be fine. I just drop it down there and hopefully pull something up. And I'm just going to drag it along the edge of this pier. Hopefully I won't get hung up on anything. Get the bite? Whoa. Our neighbor's getting a bite. Nothing on the first drag. I'm going to keep chucking it and dragging it to see if I can find something while waiting on a fish to bite. Well, there's the first fish. Camera missed it. That's okay. was on a cut bluegill. I really wish we would have gotten the bend on the camera. It really hit that rod hard. But the camera wasn't recording. That's fine. I've been touch and go with the camera because of this rain. It's not exactly waterproof with this media mod on it. But hey, we got a fish tonight. Maybe we can get another one, or maybe we might get rained out. There's some heavier rain heading this way, and I might have to put up my camera. I don't know yet. We'll see what happens. You get him?
Yeah.
All right, that's going to be awesome. That's the first fish on that rod.
Yeah. He's running towards me.
I'm going to move the camera closer.
It's the heavy rod. Yeah, handle them pretty good. It don't really feel that big, but it might be that big. But it's really comfortable. One-handed, I can get him to move pretty easily. Bend's pretty good to be an extra heavy too. You pull and drag a little bit. If I can just get him up off the bottom.
Might be a flathead if it's sticking to the bottom.
You got a net?
You want to use yours or mine?
It don't matter. It's a little one. Yeah, it's a flathead. I think.
No, it's a blue.
It's blue. Couldn't really see down there. Ain't too bad. First catfish on the Catfish Pro heavy action rod. Not too bad. Hopefully I'll get some bigger ones on it this year. He got one eye. Well, I don't know. I don't know if that eye's bad or it's just turned in that way. It's like it's growed something over it. Look at that.
Huh. Yeah. Nice one.
I'd say about 12 pounds, wouldn't you?
Yeah, close.
Get him back in before he gets too exhausted. Kind of hard to sort of release them here without dropping them into water.
Yeah. Well, that's 2 fish tonight while fishing and absolutely nothing while magnet fishing. I didn't mention it earlier, but I didn't get anything on magnet and I drug it on both sides of this pier. Just to let you guys know, that was a small piece of skipjack from fresh skipjack that I brought to fish with tonight. So that's a fresh piece of bluegill and a fresh piece of skipjack caught 2 different catfish. And I hear another train coming. Maybe we'll get a train bite. We will see what happens. Alright guys, it's been pretty slow, but we did catch fish. And I consider that a good night. Be sure to check out the Hack to Fish channel.
We're going to be using the Catfish Pro rod all year long. It's not really a well-known rod, but I'd say after a couple of videos of this rod catching some fish, I'd say it's going to be coming to a point where people really know about it.
Yeah, I'm definitely going to check out the rod myself. But check out his channel and give him a subscribe to him. And as always, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up. It helps with my channel to get my videos out. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you next time.